Rosie. Pizza Rosie. What?
Rosie, where does that letter go? Where does that one go? The green one. It goes in the fridge. Wow. Can you see any pink ones? Can you see any pink ones?
Pink. Outside. Picture of pie. Pink.
Who did that picture? Did Rosie do that picture?
Daddy, look.
Daddy can see, yeah, it's a picture of Rosie. We turn it around this way. Look, who's that? Who is it? Is it Rosie and Daddy? Right, don't touch. No, don't touch, Rosie.
See Daddy. See Daddy? Yeah. See Daddy. See Daddy. Martin, pink ones. Pink ones.
And a pink one? Yeah, that is a pink one. Can you find any blue ones?
Yeah, okay.
A blue one. Who's on your t-shirt? Who's on Rosie's top? Who? Peppa Pig. What does Peppa Pig say?
Two. One.
What does Peppa Pig say?
1, 2. She doesn't know. 1, the pig. 1, 2. Mommy, Nippa.
The ear shoes. Wow. You going to show Mummy?